This lobster dish has me in my feelings, especially sitting here doing a voiceover, looking back at this and just remembering how good it tasted. Let's just get into this recipe. To melted butter, I went in with about 6 cloves of crushed garlic. Then I'm going to add shallots, fresh red chilies, and freshly sliced tomatoes. I'm going to let this sweat down for about 5 minutes. Then I'm going to go in and add a whole chicken bouillon cube. I'm using fresh pasta. They don't take long to cook, so at this time you can go ahead and put that to boil. Now I do keep my thyme in the freezer, that's why it looks like this, but I'm just going to go in with about a teaspoon of thyme. Just give that a good mix to incorporate everything. Then I'm going to go in with my mascarpone cheese. You want to just slightly keep breaking this up, moving it around the pot until it actually melts. Then I'm going to go in with about a tablespoon of tomato puree. Now you can add the tomato puree before you add the mascarpone cheese, but you know, girl, it's sometime I didn't remember, so I went in with it at this time. Now I'm going to add my pre-cooked lobster. Then what you want to do is give this a good mix, season to taste. You can add a little salt and pepper just to give the lobster a little flavor. Just keep mixing that in. Then I went in with about 1/4 cup of the pasta water just to thin the sauce out a bit. Then I'm gonna go in with a handful of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Give that a good mix. Just allow all the flavors to just marry before adding in my cooked pasta. Now once you add your pasta, this is more or less done. Just give it a good mix so that pasta just sucks up that liquid, and it was just like, oh goodness. You can turn your stove off at this point because it's pretty much done. I'm going to decorate with some freshly chopped parsley. Well, I'm going to mix that in. Then I'm going to add a little bit more Parmesan cheese if that's what you like. And look at my lobster, spicy lobster pasta with lobster. Boy, I don't even know what to call this dish, but all I know is this dish did nice. All that's left for you to do is just plate this up and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Alright then, go ahead and watch a few of my videos, and if you like my content, please go and hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell, and share the video them guys, please. I'm asking, please, pretty please. Catch you in the next one. Bye.